paid $16.50 for rabbit food. How many pounds did you buy? Show your thinking. $16.50. Look back at the chart. Look at the chart. What do we know? What do we know about this? What do we know? We know that 10 groups is $15. So if 10 is 15, that's really close to $16.50, and each can is $1.50. So what is 15 plus $1.50? Oh, you are so smart. You're so smart. It's $16.50. That's right. So if one more can would be $16.50. So 11 cans. So we used the strategy of going back to the ratio table and trying to find where we were at with the 15 right here. Yes. And then putting it into the ratio table. So we would just write that out in a sentence. And so I'm going to post the words on the screen for you so that you can pause the video and copy it down to finish out this workbook page. Okay, when you finish that, boys and girls, you are going to go to the next slide in the assignment, and you're going to be doing page 60. Now, page 60, it has dog collars. They're $3 each. It has dog toys, which are $2 each. So here you're multiplying by 3. Here you're multiplying by 2. And then down at the bottom, you're going to make up your own price list. Now, this is exactly what we were just doing this is what the TEA was telling us to do. Okay, so we're going to do this. Let's see, we're going to go and do the dog collar ones together. So I'm going to see if I can make this a little bit bigger for us. Oh, wrong way. Okay. All right, so let's make Miss Gerald's face smaller. Okay, let's put me up here in the corner. All right, so if we have 1, so you should be on page 60. Following along on page 60, we're right here in the times, or the $3 each dog collars. If 1 dog collar is $3, then 2 dog collars would be, let's see, here's 1, 2, that's 3, right? So that's for 1. So then if we wanted to do 2 dog collars, how much money would that be? And as you see, we're just moving the dollars over, and the answer is $6. Oh, if you go to shift and the number 4, it's going to make the dollar sign. Okay, now we need to figure out $9. Well, okay, I already know that this is 1 group and this is 2 groups, so I'm just going to keep going. And 1 more makes 9. 1 dog collar, 2 dog collars, 3 dog collars. All right, this one seems pretty easy, so I would like for you, remember shift and the number 4 makes the dollar sign? Uh-oh, but we didn't need to do that. We just needed to write the 3. Okay. You're going to do 4 and 10 on your work page by yourself. So thinking about if you have 4 groups of 3, what would that be? And if you have 10 groups of 3, what would that be? So I could write here, I think. So let's go down. So for this one, it's pretty simple. It's just going to be 4 groups of 3 is equal to, and you have to tell me what, and then this one is 10 groups of 3 is equal to, and tell us what. Okay. All right, let's go to the next slide. Now we're going to do dog toys, $2 each. 1 group of 2 is 2. 2 groups of 2. Let's see if we use a different they're giving us lots of different, that you can actually click on these and use these tools, but I think I'm just going to keep the money going because we're talking about money. We're in a store. It just makes good sense to keep using the money. So if one group of 2 is 2, 2 groups of 2 is, that's right, 4. We're making arrays with money. How many groups or how many toys would be $10? So I'm thinking here, and I'm just going to type this out. If 2 groups of 2 is equal to 2, and let's just say 5 groups of 2 is equal to 10, does it make sense that 5 toys would be $10? We're just trying to figure out what number times 2 is equal to 10, because the pattern is 2, okay? So yes, in this box right here where it says number of toys, you're going to put the digit or number 5. Now, using what you know about doubling, 2's doubled to get 4's. 10 doubles to get 20. 5 doubles to get 10. Yes, so 5 times 2 is 10. We just talked about that. 10 times 2 is 20. Good. So I'm just writing it down on my paper here, and I'm going to type it into the box as well. And if you are having to type this into your TEA today, just make sure that you are using that. Press the Shift and 4 to make the $sign. That gives us our unit. Make sure you backspace over the question mark. 10 times 2 is 20. And I forgot to go up here. 2 times 2 was what? Shift and... Oh, that's how we make mistakes, isn't it? It's okay. If you delete it, you can go to Copy and then Paste. And then boom, there it is. And drag it back to its spot. Okay, and then when you click in it, back it up, and forth. Okay. 20 groups of 2 is 40. All right, friends. And then the very last one, this is when you need to do your own price list. And so do this one on your own. And just make sure that you put your title. What are you selling? What are they? How much does each thing cost? What's the pattern? And then show your work. And you can insert a picture of your amazing awesomeness right here for us to see. Have a great day, friends. Learn a lot and be awesome.